In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to recover Excel file not saved. If you've ever closed a workbook too quickly or your computer crashed before you could hit save, don't worry. Excel keeps temporary drafts that you can often bring back in just a few clicks. I'll walk you through the exact path, explain what you're seeing along the way, and share a few tips to make sure you don't lose your work again. Start by launching Microsoft Excel on your device. You don't need to open a specific file. Just get Excel running so we can use its built-in recovery tools from the home screen or a blank workbook. Next, head to the File tab in the upper left corner. This is your command center for opening, saving, and managing documents, and it's where Excel hides the recovery option we need. Now select Open from the left sidebar. This takes you to where you'd normally browse for files, but it also includes quick access to anything you've recently worked on. Click the Recent tab. This view lists your recently accessed spreadsheets, which is helpful context. Even if your unsaved file isn't listed here, don't panic. The recovery button we want is tucked at the bottom of this page. Scroll all the way down and choose Recover Unsaved Workbooks. This opens a special folder where Excel stores auto-saved drafts that were never formally saved. Depending on your version, the wording may vary slightly, but the idea is the same. You're opening Excel's temporary holding area for unsaved files. In the dialog window that appears, look for your missing draft. File names might look a bit generic, so pay attention to the modified date and time to spot the most recent version of your work. When you find the right one, click Open. Excel will load that temporary draft so you can confirm it's the content you expect. As soon as it opens, save it immediately using Ctrl+S on Windows or Command+S on Mac. Choose a clear file name and a reliable location like a project folder or a cloud drive. This converts the temporary draft into a formal, fully saved workbook so you don't risk losing it again. If you don't see anything in the unsaved workbooks folder, it usually means Excel didn't capture a draft during that session. To reduce the chance of future loss, consider enabling autosave if you use a cloud location and keep your autosave interval short so changes are captured frequently. That's it. Simple, fast, and a real lifesaver when things go sideways.